Hi everyone, welcome to Eli's Kitchen. Today we are going to make this super soft bread filled with creamy ube halaya. Combine 1 cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 and 1/4 teaspoon active dry yeast. Stir this and set this aside until foamy. For the dry ingredients, combine 3 and 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cups of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then, add in 1 egg, the milk and the yeast mixture, and 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Stir just until a soft dough is formed. To knead, I am going to use a stand mixer. You can also knead this by hand. After about 2 minutes of kneading, add in 2 tablespoons of softened butter. And continue to knead until dough is smooth and pulls away from the sides of the bowl. Transfer the dough to a lightly greased bowl. Then cover with plastic wrap. Let it rest for 1 hour or until dough is doubled in size. After 1 hour, our dough is ready. Press down to take out some air. Onto your working area, flatten the dough. Then use a rolling pin to roll the dough into a 14 by 10 inch rectangle. Add ube halaya, spread the ube across the dough. And roll the dough to form a tight log. Using a sharp knife, cut the log into equal portions. Then arrange the logs, cut side up, in a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Cover this and let it rest for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Then brush the surface of the dough with egg wash. Bake for 22 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden. And you have now your fresh, homemade delicious ube bread with real ube halaya. Serve, share, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.